No?
No.
Oh. Otter?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's the size of the engine?
2789.
Holy cow.
Turbo 2789.
So what did this thing dyno at?
We haven't dynoed yet.
Oh,
no,
really?
No, we haven't. We just put the fuel injection in since the second time it's been out of the house.
Hmm. Heck yeah. Oh, sure, now I find you too.
Hey, it's VW Jawbreaker.
What's up? How's it going, Haptic Garage? What's up, dude? Hey guys, check it out. I found Brent with Haptic Garage, and you would not believe that cool RV that came in earlier is his. Dude, tell me about this cool thing.
I am so glad somebody gets to see it because I just washed it.
Nice! I thought it looked
It's not
extra
going to
shiny.
waste. The pollen is on its way.
It is on its way. Dude, tell me about this thing. What year is it? Who makes it? I mean, this thing looks like a jet.
Yeah, well, first, of course, it's just a vintage motorhome.
Okay.
It's a 75 Argosy. If
Okay.
you don't recognize that name, that's actually made by Airstream.
Ah.
When they were kind of embarrassed about what they were doing, like B-stock aluminum on the sides and stuff,
Yep,
they would
yep.
paint it
Okay.
and badge it as an Argosy.
Oh, okay.
So there were a bunch of Argosy trailers, and then in about 73-ish, they decided to try their hand at doing a motorhome. So
Okay.
they put it on a P30 bread truck chassis.
So it's got a normal truck chassis then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and it drives like a loaded bread truck.
Okay, so I would hope you have a big block in this thing, so you can maybe do 55.
It's okay with 55.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, the thing that limits my speed is oil temperature. I
Oh.
watched that. And
Okay.
So, yeah, 50 to 55.
Okay.
Depending on how hot it is outside.
But the thing's cool as crap, though. I mean, this thing is just a beast. I mean, the front bumper is massive.
Well, not all of that is stock.
Okay. So
this
you
is-
built some of this.
Yeah, the aluminum part just there is original, but it had some plastic covers and was a little bit cracked up.
Okay.
I wanted to add a battery, so I did all of this when I had to cut the engine out. So
They cut the engine out. Hold up. This is not very often you hear this. This is gonna be a good story. Hold on.
Here we go.
Yeah, here we go.
So to finish up what happened with the bumper, the old one was welded in, and I had to rebuild the engine. So
Okay.
I had to come out, and there was cutting involved. But I wanted a place for batteries, so underneath this hatch is a 6-volt golf cart battery.
Nice.
Same thing on the other side.
Ah, okay.
And then under this hatch are all of my leveling blocks.
Oh, very smart. So you've actually integrated storage into this and a hitch.
Yeah, got a front hitch for like a cargo carrier thing.
Nice.
Never used it, but it seemed like a good
But
idea.
it's there. That's really cool.
And down here, this is a vent that goes to a scoop up into the radiators.
Oh, smart.
Of course, there's the regular coolant
Yep.
radiator. I added dash air.
Okay.
There's the condenser there, and then an oil cooler
Okay.
as well. So it needs all the air it can get, and so
And it's pretty wide open right there in the center, so.
yeah,
But that's nice to actually have a scoop down there as well to help fill it in.
got to make use of every little bit.
Man, that is one heck of a curved windshield too.
Yeah.
Man, oh man, I would hate to have to find glass for that.
You know, that's one of the places where I'm in luck. I think, with the exception of the rear window, which is the only flat thing anywhere on the whole vehicle,
Oh my goodness.
this shared with, I think, the Travcos of the same era, the Dodge Travcos.
Okay.
Even the GMCs, so you can find these.
Okay, cool. Well, that's good to know.
Last price check was $1,000 a side,
Ouch!
so I hope I don't break them.
Whoa! That's an expensive windshield. I bet you your insurance company is not going to cover that one.
Hopefully I don't have to find out. I did break a window. Early on when I had it, I wasn't paying attention backing into a campsite.
Oh,
And I
okay.
busted out one of the rear windows, which is goes around the corner.
Yep.
Real curvy, special piece.
And that actually looks like the front of the RVs.
Yep.
Let's go check that out real quick.
So the Argosies of this day used this window that you're about to see in the back.
Man, this thing
and
is
the
so
front.
cool. So this basically used to be essentially the front of an RV, which is now the rear of the RV,
Yep.
if you follow me.
Yeah. So this one survived. I crushed the
That is
other
so
one.
cool. Oh man.
And I found a guy in Atlanta that had one for sale on
Okay.
Craigslist. And so I went up the next day to get it.
Nice.
Had to nab that. Took me about a month to do all the body work. There was a plastic piece that went all the way across here.
Okay.
That was destroyed. And so I fabricated these to look like the vehicle with the rivets
Oh,
on it.
okay. So there actually used to be a filler piece in here, but you kind
All the
of,
way across, yeah.
okay, so you kind of modified it and kind of made it your own.
That's just sheet metal and aluminum there.
That is really cool, man.
Made it from scratch to house some modern LED tail lights. So now all the external lighting is LED, and that was kind of the jumping off point.
Yeah, no, that's good.
So if
Man,
you're
this thing is so cool.
If you're getting the feel for it, there's been hours and hours and hours of work that aren't all that noticeable.
Yeah.
But they're functional. Like I can get here.
That's any old vintage vehicle for that matter, guys. Hours and hours and hours of work and you'll never notice.
Yeah.
That's just the way it goes. Oh man,
Here and I can get home.
exactly. You can get here, get home, and he got something stylish. That is cool. Man, thanks so much for taking time out to show us this. I appreciate it, buddy.
You bet.
YouTubians, it's day 2 of the Lakeland VW Classic. And I tell you what, it's filling in quick. It's early, it's chilly. And it's, as far as the eye can see, Volkswagens. There's not many empty spots left. A little mini Herbie over there, out causing ruckus this morning. we just finished up breakfast, and now we're all just kind of settling in, waking up. It's probably about 7 a.m. Pretty early. It's chilly, like I said, but hey, you're around your Volkswagen friend. What more can you ask for, right? Go enjoy this day.